All right, good morning, good evening, good night. Let's get this show on the road. One, two, three, four. That way it's not so overbearing. You guys can hear me a lot better. Yes, you guys happy now? You guys happy now? So we've had some crazy movements with gold over the last few days. It's actually interesting to see how much it moves. Sometimes you wonder when it has like crazy movements in the middle of the night, like what happened? Like what is going on out there? See. We will see. Today on the Executive Zone. The news we have today, let's refresh this. It is 9:22 a.m. Eastern Time, 9:30 market open. So we had all the crazy movement news already happen. We stayed away from that. Let me just organize my desktop here. Can't see you guys. Okay, cool. So I'll make sure you guys see what's going on. So over the last few days, gold has had interesting movements. I don't know what to make of it, really, if I have to be honest with you. Should work. Let me know, because I got quite a few lives happening at the same time. Let me know where you're tuning in from. And of course, can you guess who's awake now? She's awake. She's awake. It's Lulu the dog. Good morning, Lulu the dog. She gets up for her morning scratch. And then before you know it, she's crying to get out. Scratch complete. And then now she wants to get up. Well, I guess she's happy now. Hey, good morning, Jay-Z. J to the Izzo. J to the Izzo. I to the Izzo. And it's not I, it's A. J-A-Y-Z. Just trying to see if we can get this combined for all of you. Featured chat overlay. Okay. I think Peachy's got it. Looks about right. Okay, maybe not. Some other time then. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay. This is the part that everybody hates the most when it comes to trading. It's really just a waiting game. You set it, you wait, and that's it. 1, 2. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Shut the door. The plan was to have the chat box ready for you guys, but it's not functioning at this moment. So we're waiting. We're waiting for our zone, for our executive zone. Let me have my GAN box ready. Not our NAN box or our non box. Our GAN box. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Let's see what this looks like on the... Oh. Okay, this changes a few things. In the 1 hour, On the 4 hour. That's not as strong. That is a line. Okay. We'll make these two white as a secondary. That's what we'll do. We'll have to see how the structure plays out. Because if we have a falling candle that breaks through, it's going to end up going there. So, I mean, that's not a bad safe zone. The executive line. As much as I don't want to, it's probably best there. That's aggressive. And that's modest. No. That'll do. Get it on. Like my automotive teacher used to say. Get it on. Get it on, little doggy. So if it's going to be falling into our zone, we wait for confirmation. Make sure you guys can see it on the vertical. Oh, right. Forgot. I adjusted it entirely for the vertical. Oh, yeah. What a wise guy. What a wise guy. There we go. Welcome to the live. If you're new here, let me know where you're tuning in from. Like a famous Deckard Cain used to say, stay a while and listen. Path towards millionaire. Good evening. My level tapped and going a little up, waiting for confirmation. Okay, okay. What level were you after? Okay, okay, okay. $26.81. So you're after 26.81. Oh, that's a nice entry. Let's see what you were looking at. It's not a bad entry. I'm after a bit more of a push. Yeah, you went for an aggressive entry. I'm looking for something slightly less aggressive. My aggressive is less aggressive than yours. Still a good entry. Yours would be here. 81. So that's not a bad spot. Like this whole range here. So from 2683, call it, to 2679, that's a decent range. I was just looking for a deeper test. So that's not bad. If that doesn't hold, it's gonna break through. So that's not a bad scalp. It could just sit there, but I'm looking for a deeper push. Yeah, exactly. I'm waiting for confirmation. Oh, okay, okay, no entry yet. It's like myself, I have this area here, and if it doesn't hold, then I have the next one in the white, because then that's my trend line. So even if it drops right now into my zone, I gotta wait for some quick confirmation, because it's dropping heavy. She's dropping heavy. Now that you're here, it's definitely up to 4-hour candle down 0.94. Yes. Precisely. Christian, good morning. Didn't see you there. Didn't see you there, hiding behind the bushes. Okay, dokie. Showing up everywhere today. The goal is to show up everywhere and piss off everyone. That's the goal. You must be live. Live, live, live. What the hell is this? Hey, it's reversing exactly from my tap level. Yeah, I know. Those are the worst. But it's not like a super strong push up. Hey, good morning. Mario, Biggie, bring the live show. You guys seen the Ask Lou Meanie story about his... What are you talking about? Matt, what are you talking about? You've lost your mind. You've gone bananas. I don't even know where the frig this is from. Oh my goodness. Oh, Raj, I know how you feel, buddy. I know how you feel. Now you can say that it bounced from your level. Now you can say it. Now you can be like, oh, I knew I should have. You can have all those feelings. Oh, I missed the opportunity. See, that would have been a good scalp. That would have been a good scalp for sure. On the plus side, you haven't lost any money. That's always good too, right? You didn't lose anything. I hope not. Don't get in now. Definitely don't get in now. Wait for me to get it. Featured chat overlay. Overlay. Make overlay larger. Repeat. Is that what it looks like? Is that what I've been missing out on this entire time? It doesn't show. Let it tap inversely in 15-minute fair value gap. You sure about that? Oh, I see. You're after this. I see what you're after. You're after this. You're after here. You're after here. The other day we were speaking about strategies and following, like sticking to one. When we were talking to Hassan, I see so many people that say trade the opposite, like with fair value gaps. There's like a whole bunch of different strategies. Wait for it to close and disrespect the fair value gap, and then trade opposite. Wait for it to disrespect and then trade in favor of. So if it closes above the fair value gap, so if it closes up here, then you put a buy. And then there's other people that say the opposite. If it closes above, I don't know why you would put a sell. Like, that doesn't make any sense to me. Or if it closes in, then put a sell. At the end of the day, you just gotta see what works for you. What can you be patient enough to follow through? No down. Recent one. Oh, you're talking about down here. You're talking about this. Okay. That didn't even exist to me. It didn't exist to me because of the larger amount over here. This is such a big gap. I was just looking. I totally missed that, to be honest with you. I was just looking at that bigger area. But I'll make sure to look closer next time. So let's go with that. Let's go with the first 15-minute fair value gap. There you go. Let's go back to 5. So that's so far. We'll see in a minute if it closes above. Oh, you're waiting for the 15 to close. Okay. You take buy. Are you sure? Are you sure, Susan? Euro USD. Hassan, come on. Don't worry about Euro USD. She helped me get him out. What is that? What in the hell is even that? Copy link. Where are some of these people coming from? No idea. Oh, I didn't even put it. Oh, snap. We got some upgrades. Got it to work. Okay. 3. Actually, wait. Yes, this. Now you guys got that. Let's put it for the vertical. That is a browser. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. There we go. There we go. Gold is dangerous for me. You over leverage for sure. I'm just kidding. I'm just bothering you, Hassan. It's dangerous for everybody. It's dangerous for everybody. That's why, especially with gold and the indexes like NASDAQ and S&P, you have to be patient and disciplined. You're going to hear everybody say that. Patient, discipline, consistency. Patient. That's the hardest part of doing this. I struggle all the time. To this day, I struggle. You only spread butter. What are you talking about? Thanks for letting us know, I guess. Thanks, Susan. Random. So random, Susan. Red Robin, Red Robin. I'm gonna have to censor some of these. There we go. Get rid of this guy. Be nice. Why so much loss? Which loss are you talking about, Fahad? What loss? In like the gold market? Man missed 100 pips from my order block. It happens. The question at this point, the question you need to ask yourself is, why didn't you execute? Like, because if you're saying that you missed it, did you miss it because it didn't, like, it came close to your entry and then it just kept going? Or did you miss it because you were too late? Did you miss it because you were scared? The alert triggered and I was opening my M15 and it pumped. That's just how it goes sometimes. It's 10:03. What news we got? What news we got? Nothing. 10:30. Natural gas. Not a big deal. Well, blocking that person. This person's gonna get me banned. There we are. There we are. Keep it PG-13. Why Asia more volatile nowadays? You know what? It's funny you say that. I've noticed that. I've noticed that actually. In the like Asia session, a bit before London opens. Let's see your Euro USD. Man, when was the last time I was here? I think that was in like, yeah, August, September. It's the last time I looked at Euro USD. This is a old trend line. Broke, retest, and then totally disrespected. Let me make sure I have gold ready. Make sure we have gold on hand. But I'm sure one of you will tell me. I don't even know how to close this. My bad. It's working. It's working. FBI. Where are you tuning in from? FBI? The Pentagon? From YouTube? Tuning in from YouTube? What was your entry for Euro USD? Happy holidays, Walter. Happy holidays, Walter. If you were after a buy, yeah. Even where it's at now, like it could keep dropping. Actually, could probably come down to here. I don't really look at Euro USD. I don't look at it like that. So whatever I said with Euro USD doesn't really count because I don't really watch it. That's just like what I would think. Susan, where is Susan? The text comments are... I have 4 lives happening at once. So they are comments from all the lives happening at once. Makes sense? Because I have some people in one platform that don't like to use the other platform, and here and there, and I have an audience over here that's unaware that I go live over there. So now that we were able to upgrade our equipment, made sure to broadcast everywhere, and it's hard to keep track of comments in all the different places, so I have them all together. Why, you don't like it? Sorry, my software crashed. Sorry about that. Sorry, everybody. On YouTube, on the regular size YouTube, what's the highest quality resolution you can go to? Is it 720? Like for you guys, is it 720? Because I've been trying to fix it to go to 1080. I can't do it now because I'm streaming live. Yeah? Okay. I'll keep working on that. I'll have to test it out later today. Save. Doon, 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 doon. 720. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Fahad. There's some settings I gotta adjust to get it to 1080. I can do it. I'm still learning how to do that. The vertical live, the one that's like shaped like your phone, that one I got to 1080. So that one's fine. Like that's good quality. But 720 is better than the 480 from before. And my live isn't laggy anymore. Okay, let's see how that goes. You know what? On the vertical, I'm going to keep that out. Check it disclose. Okay. So you're starting to like disclose? You know, I've been visiting that site since I was like 19, 20 years old. So that's 17, 18 years now. The site used to be so much better. It used to be, the website used to be like the YouTube of videos you can't find on YouTube. You would go there and you'd see all these things that was not allowed on YouTube. Now it's more like formal. It's more like normal. Actually, let me put another window because then I'll screw up the way my live looks in case I want to clip something. Hold on. Let's set it up this way. Web. Starting to like disclose, huh? Okay. All right, that's what I'm talking about. You're gonna like what's there. You're gonna like it. My sister actually showed me disclose. Keep it here so we don't miss out. And then for these guys, You guys can see it there. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so make sure that I can see the chart so that I don't miss. Oh, we have a double bottom happening. Let me get these chats back up. Because it looks like we got some things to explore here on Disclose. Okay. All right. So, pilot encountered mystery objects moving at extreme speed. FAA. I saw and stole it from you. That's okay. There's too much spotting flying objects news on Disclose. That's what Disclose is about. Disclose was the again, the YouTube of alternative news. The news you couldn't find on YouTube was here on Disclose. Raj, did you take your re-entry? Because looks like you missed another pump. There's actually a lot of things flying around. There was a hearing with like I don't know, Congress or US government politics, something that was talking about all the things that have been flying around lately. I think it was like 11 hours long. Keep that there. Let's see what you weirdos are talking about. Trump invites China's Xi Jinping to inauguration. That's hilarious. He invites China's Xi Jinping but what about Canada? What about Canada? You guys are gonna talk weirdness. You're banned. It lagged when I shifted my stop loss. Oh no. For that reason, lose $30. Now, did you lose? Oh, wait, because it's stop loss. Wait, no. If you entered on the re-entry, you should be okay right now because you hit a buy, right? Oh, no, I think I understand. No. Or did it reverse and close you out too soon? Is that what happened? For that reason, the US government must come clean about UFOs. Yes, obviously. China mobilizes staggering naval presence in Taiwan. This right here. This is these two. The fact that these two, actually these three. Trump invites China's Xi Jinping to inauguration. So we're just going off of headlines, okay? So we haven't read the article. So understand the difference between headline reading and actually dissecting an article, because a headline is clickbait. It's like when you're going to watch a YouTube video, it's a hook. So we don't know what this is actually about. Okay? So the conversation right now is based off of the headlines. Okay? But it's interesting that these things are happening, that if this is true that Trump invited Xi Jinping to the inauguration, and China mobilizing, staggering their presence in Taiwan, obviously outside of Taiwan, and this, Google's quantum chip, that I was reading about yesterday. It's insane. I don't know how crypto is going to react to that when it's like online. The US is protecting Taiwan. The US is protecting Taiwan because of their chips. Not potato chips. They're microchips. Taiwan is like, they hold the secret closely to their chips. So if Taiwan holds the secret, they're manufacturing to their chips very closely. The US has partnerships with them. They're not allowed to do business with China. Like, a lot of the companies are not allowed to do business with China. China wants to take Taiwan back, right? Back. So China is trying to take back or take over Taiwan. That's been going on, especially since Biden went into office. It's like, okay, well, no one's going to stop me, so they've been continuing. But Trump going back into office, he's going to put a stop to it. So if they're mobilizing outside of Taiwan and Trump is inviting Xi Jinping to his inauguration, it's kind of like, hey, you're going to mobilize outside the country that you're trying to take over, that we're protecting. Come over. Come over and watch my inauguration. It's too vulgar. Gonna get me banned. Even in Spanish. Blocked. If you got no disregard, if you have no regard for my live, I got no patience. You're banned. It's a learning process, combining so many different areas. I can see why some people stay on some platforms, but I'm not going to allow it. Lou, hi. Hi, Lou. Liu. Okay, Iranian mothership launching drones offshore US. Is that what that was? Don't tell me that's from Iran. Wait, no way. I forgot to look that up. I was going to look that up yesterday about these New Jersey drones. New Jersey drones are coming from Iranian mothership offshore. That's kind of weird. I don't think so. I haven't really seen what these things look like. What's my opinion on UFOs or aliens? So my opinion on it is there's something there. It's not whatever they say is happening. Oh, let me put this here. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys, on the vertical. I was like blocking you guys this whole time. My opinion is that they're real. I'm sure some are from other planets. Some are probably time travelers. I don't know. Some could be from another dimension. Some could be from inside the earth or under the ocean or in the ocean. And some could be like, who knows what. So the truth is, I don't know. It could be anything. One thing that is for sure is we are being lied to about what they are. About what they are and where they're from and if they exist. That's for sure. So those are my thoughts. Okay, we got it closed. Okay. Sweet. So I had heard something about some drones flying around in New Jersey. So I guess that's what this is. But to say that it's like Iran, like when the hell would Iran be all the way over there? A New Jersey congressman claimed Wednesday that the mystery drones over the Garden State are from Iran and are being launched by a mothership. How do you even know that? Like, do you get what I mean? If there's drones, let's say they are actually drones and not UFOs. Okay, cool. How do you know they're from Iran? Okay, so they are drones. Okay, cool.
Our own government. We know it's not our own government because they would have let us know. It could have been some really glorified hobbyist or hobbyists that were doing something unbelievable. They don't have the technology.
That was, if it was our own government, they would let us know. When was the last time the government did something out in the public and I was like, this is what we're doing. We're flying technology. We're flying technology, and don't worry, we're telling you the truth. That right there is propaganda. The government won't tell you. Do you remember the last time that they told us, just the whole world is just gonna quarantine for 2 weeks? 2 weeks and we go back to normal? Yeah, right. 2 years later.
But let's pretend that's possible. The third possibility was somebody, an adversarial country, doing this. Know that Iran made a deal with China to purchase drones, motherships, and technology in order to go forward. The sources I have are good. They can't reveal who they are because they are speaking to me in confidentiality. These drones should be shot down. Whether it was some crazy hobbyist that we can't imagine, or whether it is Iran, and I think it very possibly could be, they should be shot down. We are not getting the full deal, and the military is on alert with this.
You got to listen to the words they use. It very well could be. He said very well could be Iran. So they don't actually know if it's Iran. They're just blaming Iran. So they took out their leader. Sounds like typical US propaganda of finding an excuse to go invade somewhere to take over. That's interesting. A country that doesn't have a stable government at the moment, and all of a sudden they're the enemy, colluding with China. How interesting. Let me guess. You guys need to go invade there, right? To go stabilize. You need to stabilize the Middle East, right? Is that what's got to happen now? Let me guess. You need to go make sure that democracy is set in place in Iran now? And Fahad, why isn't something sci-fi happening? Sci-fi things are happening. You're just not paying attention. Good morning. No self-promotion. You can say good morning. You can talk. You can ask questions. No promotion. Promote on the live and you're banned. Stop saying more or else we'll lose. You know I'm right. Fahad, am I not right? You know that's exactly what's gonna happen. Watch, listen to what they said. What this weirdo lizard said.
I'm going to tell you the real deal. In confidentiality, these drones should be shot down. Whether it was some crazy hobbyist that we can't imagine, or whether it is Iran, and I think it very possibly could be, they should be shot down. We are not getting the full deal, and the military is on alert with this.
Whether it's some hobbyist, some random person that's doing this just for fun, or it's Iran. Whether it's one or the other, they should be shot down. So you don't actually know. Okay, I was trying to wait on certain tards. You got to keep the chats PG. Because if you guys say something stupid, just the wording alone will get me banned. So, if you guys don't care to keep it PG, I don't care to just block you entirely. Because I don't need it. You're welcome on the live. Have fun, chat, everybody. That's why I'm trying to join all the chats so that everybody can interact, even if you're not on the same platforms. There's 4 lives happening at the same time. There's 4 chats plus a Telegram. So I want to make sure everybody can interact with everybody without having to be on the same place. So everybody's on the platform that they're most comfortable with. Kareem did a short from 2703. Okay, nice. Awesome. Good job. Good job, Kareem. Very nice. Puerto Rican and Italian. Okay, nice. My background's Colombian. Family's from Colombia, born and raised in Toronto, Canada. Okay, so we'll wait for some confirmation. I'm not liking this dropping candle. Let's see how it looks on the 15. Huh? We'll see if it gives another push. Push a push a push pop. I hope I don't miss it. With a drop like that, I'd rather be patient. Wait for confirmation. I'll take that. I'll take an aggressive. But the right one gets shut. Ayo, stop saying. Yep, exactly. So, they don't know. Going back to our alien stuff, they don't know if it's actually Iran. They're just blaming Iran. Leave Iran alone. It's just the US looking for reasons to attack. Look what we have here. Oh, I think my stuff's gonna crash. Don't crash. Okay, didn't crash. Phew. Let's go with this one. That's what we got going on. So if you entered the aggressive, you're up. Make sure you manage things properly. Let's put Wizardo. Right, you guys can see it. I forgot. Close partials, move your stop loss, whatever you got to do. Keep it gravy. Move your stop loss to break even. So it's a risk-free trade. Close partials, close entirely. It's up to you how you want to manage it. For those of you that I'm working closely with, you know what you need to be doing. What is going on? What is going on in the world? That's what I'm talking about. Now screen looks with them. Oh, looks good with them. Yeah. Now it's more crystal clear. I also have them animated, like they actually move. I'll have to put those in. They actually move. Hello. Hello, Lyric. Forever. If you guys see Danielle, please tell her that I have a question. I don't know who Danielle is, so you're on your own. You're on your own. You're on your own, Forever. Oh, Raj, where are you, Raj? Bailey, where are you, Bailey? Did you get stopped out? Did you cash out? Did you close partials? Let me know. Send me a message on the Telegram. Did you manage your trade? For my new people that are working closely with me, how have you been managing the trade so far? Did you enter the aggressive? Are you waiting for the modest? Did you enter at all? Did you miss it? Who's Danielle? The better question is, who's Danielle? Nobody here knows who Danielle is. Danielle. Danielle, where are you? I'm effed up. All I can say is, I told you I have a good track record. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. What's that accent, Danielle? So greedy I took another position on the re-entry. Lock it in. Lock in your 30 pips. Lock in your 30 pips. Close partial. Move stop loss. Whatever you got to do. If you walk away with 0 profits this morning, and you took the aggressive, and you walk away with 0, come on, please don't do that. Please don't do that. Walk away with something. Even if you're moving your stop loss to break even, which at this point, moving higher than that, at least secure 10, 20 pips. If you're gonna be greedy, now, please secure some profits. This gave you some free game. Now we can do this. Oh, I don't have it on the vertical. Okay. All right. Got some upgrades. Upgrades, caray. Upgrades, caray. I'm getting stopped out. I'm getting locked out. Will we walk away with our secured bag, or will we hit the moon this morning? Yes, indeed. Yes, indeedy do. Look at that. To the moon. Where's Hassan coming from? I don't know. Morocco. That's the only answer I have. Morocco. Coming from Morocco. $26.79. Your Fahad, your buy zone, your order block there, that's more or less like where I have my secondary my secondary buy. Like if this area didn't hold up, that's more or less where I had my buy. If you're new to the live, make sure you hit the follow, subscribe, because you just got some free game this morning. It's helped you make money for free. You just made 50 pips live. On a small account, that could be $50, $25. On a decent account, that could be $500. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like, subscribe if you haven't already. We try to go live every single morning. And I say try because we haven't in the last 2 days. But we typically go live pretty much almost every day. We give away a free game. Trying to help everybody make some money. It's holidays coming up. We do have paid membership groups. But we give things away for free. Because if we can't show you how to make money for free, then like how do you know it even works? You got other people that are going to charge you to join their sessions, and you don't even know if it works or not. You don't even know if you actually want to do this or not. You don't even know if you can do this or not. At least here with us, you can learn for free and see if you can actually make it happen and if it's real for you. And then you decide, yes, I want to invest in some paid membership because I see it works. If I can make this much for free, imagine what I could make with a paid group. That's the idea. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with offering something for free so people can actually see what the hell's going on. Or everybody else keeps it a mystery. And it's like, you just have, trust me, bro, you'll make money. Not here. We want you to see that you can make money. I have an actual question for her. I don't care about Danielle. I have one too. How long would it take 3 constitution being least personality? I have. I don't even know what the hell you guys are talking about. What conversation's going on over there? I don't know what conversations you guys are having on that platform over there. That's why I keep that platform so separate. I'll make a meme coin and you'll invest in it with those Amex. Then we'll rug pull. No. Absolutely not. Trying to get me arrested. Nice try, Fahad. Nice try. Nice try. Nice try, Diddy. Nice try. Nice try, Diddy. Nice. Look at the time, too. My dear friends, have my 30 pips secured. Let's see how this runs. Fahad, to do a rug pull, It's actually illegal. And as anonymous as crypto is supposed to be, it's not as anonymous as it was. And once you sign up for an exchange and you put your ID and stuff, yes, the public can't see your name, but two things happen. One, if I send you crypto, if I can follow the chain and learn which wallet is yours, I can keep track of your stuff. Obviously, we know that. But there's a point to what I'm saying. And on the other hand, if the government wants to investigate somewhere, they can ask the exchange that's running in that country, hey, we need to look this person up, follow our laws, and like you have to follow the laws, so give me their info because they're criminal or whatever. So you can't really remain anonymous. There's one way or the other to be found out. So if you do something illegal, like a rug pull, which it is illegal, they can find you, no problem. So it's not even worth it. It's not even worth it. Number one. Number two, if you're going to do that, you have to like bring people in, and you're stealing their money. And that's something like I wouldn't be able to sleep with myself. That's not really my style. I've never been one to feel good about taking things from other people. It's never really been for me. So if you got in on the aggressive, you are up 40, 50 pips, depending on how you hit it. I got my 30 pips secured. Let's go. Let's see what happens. Take profit, Kareem, it's 2680. Oh, nice. It's good. Good job, brother. Good job. Good job, Kareem. So, we'll leave it here. Monitor your trade. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe. You got some free game. You got free 30, 40, 50 pips plus. We'll see where it goes. I say plus because it could still go. If you're still in the trade, let me know. I got my 30 secured. Let's see if she rides. So right now, I'm okay leaving it. See where she takes off to. And yeah, we'll go live tomorrow, of course. If you haven't liked to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? I mean, come on. That deserves a follow on Instagram. That deserves a like, subscribe on YouTube. We do have a free and a paid community. We don't just look for anybody. We're not looking to just be recruiting people. Whereas some people are desperate and they need to make money recruiting people to their services. Not us. We focus on trading first, and we are building a strong community second. So we're not looking for beggars or choosers. We're not looking to convince anybody to do anything. If you really want to seriously learn how to trade and invest without having to pay for nonsense and masterminds and whatever crap that's out there, there's a lot of good stuff and a lot of bad stuff out there, but we want to make sure that you learn and understand properly. DM me the word YouTube on Instagram. My Instagram is below. I only have the one account. So stay away from scammers and fake accounts. I only have the one account. I'll never ask you for money. But if you want to send me money, you can send me all the money you want. Other than that, manage your trade. Don't be greedy. You're in the profits. If you walk away today with 0 or negative, after this, we are up 80 pips. 70, 80 pips, depending where you got in. If you walk away with 0 or negative, that's on you. So take what you get and enjoy it. Other than that, keep smiling. Don't let anybody piss you off. And I'll see you all tomorrow. And I'll see the rest of you in the chats.